Hey, ya rookies. I'm Sage. I may be a computer scientist, but my heart's at the farm. So I put the two together into a game. I call it Agricoding. That's right. All you have to do is play, and you'll learn how to write your very own code. I'm here to help you get started, but I can't teach you anything without my helping hand. Meet Parsnip. Parsnip and I are a team. I look at a field and figure out what it needs. Then I tell Parsnip what to do, and she does it. It's as simple as that. It's what you'll be doing too with your very own drone friend. To get you ready to farm your own fields, I'll first show you around this screen. There are a lot of buttons, and I bet you want to know what they do. Once you know the layout, you and I will be working through the first level of Agricoding together. After that, I'm sure you'll be confident enough to take it from there. In fact, I bet you'll be able to program your own drone into doing something like this. So, let's get to work.